So we have already looked at converting using just units linear as well as units of area. Now we're going to use units of measurement with volume. Now, if you think about volume, we're talking about three-dimensional type of things. Okay? So, we're talking about three-dimensional. Before, when we said that we looked at 1 meter, 1 meter, remember I told you you had to square whatever units it kind of was that you're looking at when you converted from units squared to units squared. You had to square the conversions. You have to do the exact same thing here. When we were looking at, except in this case we cube the units. When we looked at the metric system, remember we looked at the kilo, the heka, the deca, then our base, and then the deci, centi, and the milli. Okay. Previously, when we were looking at just, say, meters to centimeters, we went once. When we went meters squared to centimeters squared, we had to go twice. In other words, I told you to move it 1, 2, and then another 1, 2. Now, if we go meters cubed to centimeters cubed, I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a third time of 1, 2. Because 1 meter cubed, let's think about this, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter cubed is like saying 100 raised to the third power centimeters cubed. So I've got to go 3 times. Again, with the metric system, it's easier for me to do just moving the decimal place. And so if I know I'm going 2 places to the right, I start out with my 16, and my decimal starts here. So I'm going 1, 2, that's 1, 1, 2, that's my 2, and then I go 1, 2, that's my 3. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 16 meters cubed is going to be 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So it's going to be 16 million centimeters cubed. That's like saying 16 meters cubed over 1 times 100 to the third power centimeters cubed over 1 meter cubed. Exact same thing. Okay? Now I'm going to get rid of some of this so that we can look at this next one. And I'm going to look at going from centimeters cubed to kilometers cubed. This one's going to look really ugly. Okay? Because I've got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times. If I go 5 3 times, That means I've got to go 15 times to the left. So I've got, and I'm going to actually move it way over here. 1, 5, 6, 8, 0. Decimal place starts here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my third one. 0, decimal, and then all of these are all zeros. That means I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros in front. Which if you tried to do that on your calculator, you would end up with a 1.568, and then you would have this little e, and you would probably have a negative 11. That is scientific notation. The negative 11, if you will notice, is if I go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put my decimal between the 1 and the 5, that's 11 places. The negative is saying that the decimal is way out here in front to the left. It is a really, really, really small number. So let's practice a couple of these. And again, I would use that conversion of kilo, hecto, deca, and then your base, deci, centi, and then milli. Okay? And so I want to go from liters to milliliters. And so that's 1, 2, 3. So I start out with 36. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I apologize, this is not, we are not doing cubes. Woo. Let me start over. When we're doing liters like this, liters are already volumes, so we do not have to do cubes. 36 liters to milliliters, that's just 3. 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0. 36,000 milliliters. Please forgive me. $497 milliliters to liters. Going to the left, 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So I have 0.497. Now milliliters to centimeters cubed. This one is a different one. We haven't seen this one. But 1 milliliter is actually equal to 1 centimeter cubed. These are actually equal units. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed. So 5 milliliters is equal to 5 centimeters cubed. One meter cubed is going to be equal to 1,000 liters. So if I look at 75 meters cubed, that's going to be 1,000 liters is equal to 1 meter cubed. So I multiply, and that gives me 75,000 liters. So practice a few of those.